Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Here's another EWP bucket that we are fixing up. So we're about to hook into this. Customers check to make sure that it's all structurally sound, the steel part of it, and we're gonna start fiberglassing over the top of it and refreshing this thing so it's back to its former glory. Alright guys, so here we are, we've got the EWP and it's almost ready for the customer to pick up. Just got some tiny bit more cleaning to do. Have a look at what we've done. We've done all our repairs on the job. We've then finished them off with a little bit of filler, and then we've flow coated over the top, and the customer is going to be wrapped. They actually went with us because of a referral from another client. So very confident they're going to be happy with what we've done. Here we are, we've green flow coated inside, and this should last for many years as long as they look after it. Alrighty, we will see you on the next video.